This is a used 2013 Ford Explorer, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a turbocharger, leather seats, heated seats, blind spot sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Silver Creek Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 920 South Main, Haley, Idaho 83333.